Step into the world of Python, the go-to language for novices and seasoned developers alike, celebrated for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Python simplifies complex tasks, from data analysis and web development to machine learning and automation, making code accessible to all. Python's rich ecosystem boasts libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, Django, and Flask, empowering you to accomplish more with less code. Developers worldwide credit Python for opening new career doors and fueling creative endeavors. Companies across all industries use Python to innovate and solve real-world problems, reflecting its tangible impact. Learning Python is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive syntax, comprehensive documentation, and supportive community. An abundance of resources awaits you, from online tutorials and interactive courses to coding bootcamps and community meetups. So, step into the Python universe, where opportunities and discoveries are as endless as the stars. Follow @Galaxy Developer for more insights. Remember, your Python journey is only beginning, and the @Galaxy Developer community is here to inspire and support you every step of the way.